Have you ever walked out to your garden, ready to harvest the perfect tomato, only to find it cracked open like this? Why it happens? Tomato splitting usually happens when the fruit absorbs water too quickly, especially after a dry spell. The skin can't stretch fast enough, and boom, it cracks. This sudden water surge causes internal pressure, and the fruit just can't take it. The number one mistake. Inconsistent watering. Dry soil followed by heavy watering is a recipe for disaster. But don't worry, here's how to stop your tomatoes from splitting. Tip 1. Keep soil moist. Water consistently. Keep soil evenly moist. Avoid letting it dry out completely. Tip 1. Keep soil moist. Mulch your plants. It helps keep moisture stable and prevents sudden swings. Tip 3. Water smart. Water in the early morning so plants absorb moisture before heat hits. Tip 4. Harvest on time. Pick tomatoes just before they fully ripen, especially if rain is coming. Now you know what's going wrong and how to fix it. Say goodbye to split tomatoes and hello to perfect harvests.